Welcome back to Auto Nova, your go-to spot for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the brand new 2026 Honda Accord. Whether you're a longtime Accord fan or just looking for your next ride, this one's going to turn heads. Honda has taken a bold step forward with the 2026 Accord, blending elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology like never before. From the very first glance, it's clear that this isn't just another mid-cycle refresh, it's a complete evolution. The design is sleek and modern, with sharp lines that give it a more aggressive stance while still retaining the clean sophistication that the Accord is known for. The front grille has been redesigned with a slimmer profile, paired with ultra-slim LED headlights that create a futuristic look. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic body don't just look good, they improve efficiency and handling too. Under the hood, Honda offers a refined lineup of powertrains. The base model starts with an efficient 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, but the real excitement lies in the upgraded hybrid and the rumored performance-oriented variant. The hybrid system, now in its fourth generation, boasts improved power output and even better fuel economy. We're talking over 50 miles per gallon combined, thanks to improved battery tech and regenerative braking systems. Inside, Honda has pulled out all the stops. The cabin is more luxurious than ever, offering high-quality materials and a minimalist design that still feels incredibly functional. A massive 15-inch touchscreen takes center stage, seamlessly integrated into the dash. It's powered by Honda's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus built-in Google Apps for navigation, voice commands, and more. But it's not just about tech and touchscreens, comfort is king in the new Accord. Heated and ventilated front seats, available rear seat heating, a panoramic sunroof, and customizable ambient lighting create an atmosphere that feels more premium than ever before. Honda has also gone all in on interior quietness, with improved sound insulation and active noise cancellation making the cabin whisper quiet, even at highway speeds. Safety remains a top priority. The 2026 Accord comes with Honda Sensing 360, their most advanced safety suite yet. You'll find features like adaptive cruise control with traffic jam assist, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a brand new cross-traffic braking system. Plus, the Accord is now capable of over-the-air updates, so you'll always have the latest software without visiting a dealership. For driving enthusiasts, the chassis has been fine-tuned for a more dynamic experience. Steering is precise, the ride is composed, and there's an optional sport-tuned suspension that brings a bit of thrill to your daily commute. There's even talk of an electrified Accord Type S down the line, something that would seriously shake up the segment. When it comes to pricing, Honda hasn't officially released all the numbers yet, but we expect the base model to start just under $30,000, with the higher trims reaching into the low 40s depending on configuration. And with Honda's reputation for reliability, the Accord continues to be one of the smartest long-term investments you can make in a vehicle. So, is the 2026 Honda Accord the best midsize sedan on the market right now? It's certainly aiming for the top. With its fresh design, upgraded tech, efficient powertrains, and a luxurious interior, it's hard to find much to complain about. This is more than just a commuter car, it's a statement that Honda still knows how to lead the pack. Thanks for watching Auto Nova. If you enjoyed this video and want more updates on the hottest cars hitting the streets, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Drop your thoughts about the 2026 Accord in the comments, we'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.